Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Arlec how-to. Today we'll be showing you the brushed metal finish plug-in door chime. This product is rated IP44, which means its remote is weatherproof. It also has a 100 meter wireless range when it isn't obstructed. Inside the packaging you'll find 4 items: a chime unit, a remote, some mounting items, and a set of instructions in the back. This product does not require any batteries. Instead, it is a plug-in design that can be inserted into any standard power point in your home. Now to pair one remote to one unit, plug in the chime unit and press the button on your remote. You will hear a chime sound indicating that they have paired. To connect up to 4 remotes, press and hold the code button on the side here. After the beep, press the button on your second remote and you will hear a chime sound. Now your second remote is paired. If you would like multiple chime units placed around your home, plug in your second unit and then press the button on your remote to pair. There are 8 different chime tones. To change your tone, open the back panel of the remote with a flathead screwdriver. Then, press the black button here to cycle through tones. Stop once you have found your desired chime. You can also mount your unit to a wall by using these items. You can use either double-sided tape or screws and anchors. To avoid interference, avoid mounting the remote on any metal structures. For any more questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact details at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.